in today's video, we're doing a little something special. So I don't know if you guys remember my boy Daltyn. My boy Daltyn, we went to GAT together. It was me, my boy Daltyn, my boy Justin, and my boy Zay. But my boy Daltyn also has a, I believe it's a 2013 Genesis Coupe. And I remember, like, we tried this once already to put the engine in the car. And turn the car on and all this, and that didn't work. Let's just say it didn't end up how we thought it was gonna end up. He had to send the engine back out because there wasn't enough oil pressure and it was about to fucking blow up the engine. But hopefully that's all fixed now. Yeah. Finally pulling up to Daltyn's crib. 30 minutes later, it's already ready. I don't know if you guys can see, but he already has the Insta360 camera on the fucking car. Oh, he's ready.
All right, time for you to octane learn.
Octane learn, okay. He's getting gas. I already got gas. But look at this fucking goober.
Ready?
Yep. Yes, sir. Let's go. BK2. Look at this goober. Look at this goofy. Yeah, man. You carry that battery. You carry that battery. Look what it is! Yeah!
Like this.
Nah, you're right.
I need it.
You're right. We're leaving Harbor Freight. We're in Springfield. We're about to hit the shop.
Not Springfield, West Springfield.
All right, whatever. My fault.
Nah, it's scary out here, buddy.
I know. My fault. All right, let's good. Let's go, y'all. We've made it to his shop, and over here we got the good old girl, the good old Jenny. And here she is, y'all. It's been a long time.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
2 years, Daltyn, hasn't it?
You know it.
Oh, yeah.
Going on the third time we're doing this? Or sixth time, probably? I don't even know.
6th, 3rd, 4th, 10th.
It's just all the same now. It's just
Who
a number.
knows? Who knows at this point?
It's just a number.
Numbers are just numbers at this point.
We're using it. I just don't remember.
Right, so we got to put the belt in and then coolant in it and
yes,
oil.
Sir, oil. The necessities. Gonna have to look up a little diagram real quick though. Alright, okay, so let's make a game plan here. Do belt, and then we'll do battery, and I'll do oil, and then we'll do coolant.
Bet. And then she's ready?
Yeah. I do gotta prime it though, without. I gotta pull the ECU and then run the car, prime it, so that way it can get rid of that whole low oil pressure code.
Yeah.
Whatever thing I had the issue. And then I can start it.
Ah!
That transmission, freaking
The hose?
that nut, or where the paper towel
Right
is.
there, I see it, yeah.
I'm trying to tighten that. So I put this underneath to see if there's any leaks. There's no leaks clearly. So I'm banking on it. I'm just gonna send it, you know? I'm just gonna send it.
Hey.
I don't got time to be chasing. Ain't no chasing waterfalls out here.
Not tonight. Okay. Tonight, this bitch is
going on. And
this shit is going on tonight.
And she's gonna come home tomorrow.
He just has a different storyline. It has a different, the Jenny's just it has an aura.
It has a story.
It has aura, bro.
It does.
It has dad lore. That's what the fucking Jenny has.
All right. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's what I was fucking up. Yeah, I had it. Be able to freaking have you start fucking with the tensioner.
Mm-hmm.
That. I don't know.
All right.
You know, if it was a
I don't think it
14,
was a 14.
I don't think it is either.
It's a 15.
It's got to be a 15.
Grab a 16 at that
Right,
point, just so you don't walk a.
You know,
Just
we don't want to
'cause-
look stupid. We don't need to look stupid. We don't need to, yeah, you're right. I don't need to feel like that. You know what?
Is that a 15?
This is why we don't need to feel stupid.
Oh my
Because
god! I swear to God, if it's not a 16,
it got to be the 16.
no way, brother.
Is it a 17?
Yeah.
Because there's no way that a 14 almost fit, and you're telling me I went up 3 sizes and Jesus fuck. I got the 18 just to be safe.
I mean, at this point, you might have grabbed the fucking 20.
Might as well just grab the whole fucking toolbox. All right.
Keep holding it. Keep holding it.
Fuck. I'm letting go.
Let go.
I'm over this now. I'm over cars, bro. I'm about to sell the car now.
No.
I'll just sell the fucking.
Don't do
Like,
that.
what is that? Like, is that the bolt tightening?
But I have to cut the zip ties now because I can't even.
Oh, the bottom again.
Yep.
Is that what it is? The bottom one?
Mm-hmm. You thought it was so easy to let the shit just went on like that?
I was like, what the fuck? I guess get another belt. I'm at my wit's end, bro. There's only so much I can pre-fucking do. Like, this should already be made to fucking fit. It should not have to be an issue. Should not have to fucking do work to make this fucking fit.
Yeah, let's go get another one. I'm over it.
Apparently, BK2 belt, it got smaller, 92 inches. BK1 belt, 92.5. For some reason, the 92 wasn't fitting. We needed that 0.5 little, you know what I'm saying? So now we got that, because I got a BK1 belt. So hopefully this bitch goes on.
Let's do it.
Right, so this has to go on. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. Like, it has.
Hold on, let me get the tensioner grabber.
Tensioner grabber.
The tensioner
Tensioner
grabber.
grabber. Sweet. If this makes a difference, I'm gonna fucking lose it.
Imagine just fucking waste fucking 3 hours of our life just
Just because
the wrong
belt is
fucking belt.
different? Yep, pretty much.
We were over here with a fucking forklift, trying to fucking had the whole engine moving up and down. Like literally, the engine was moving up and down. I was like, holy shit.
And I was like, oh great, pulling the engine again.
But this is the struggle, y'all. Hit that shit. Slap that bitch.
Wait.
Let me know when you want me to let go the tensioner grabber.
Let go. Break free. Breaking free.
Holy shit.
We put oil in it now.
5 hours later.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. We
Let's put some
finally got this Liberty belt on.
Let's put some fucking oil in this bitch.
Okay.
Battery's going in.
I think so.
Let's fucking go, yo. 4 hours later, we finally got that shit in. It's nice and fucking tight.
I'm gonna drive it without a hood on and everything. It looks
Are you
sexy.
actually? Are you dead ass?
I don't have a hood.
Battery's in.
Battery is on.
Now, to the oil.
Now we don't want. Remember we overfilled this. We don't want to do that
We don't want to overfill it.
ever again.
How many quarts?
5 quarts.
Okay.
What should be this whole thing? So it says it requires 5.6 quarts.
5.6.
Yeah.
So what? That's like fucking.
I got oil. Hold on. Fine with just 5.
It should be fine with 15 W40. Just a
You think
little
so?
bit of 15
Just a little
W40.
bit? Should be thick as fuck.
Oh, look at Jenny, yo. Yeah, back angle. 2 long years, baby. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah.
There's no instructions?
There's probably instructions in the box. Fucking goober. Jenny's coming down finally. She is coming down to the town. Alright, that was kind of ditty-ish. Wow. Wow. Look at her.
She on the ground now.
She on the ground. She's low to the ground, dude. What? Oh shit!
Wow, look at the difference in working on the engine now.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
she's low, brother.
I forgot how low. Oh my
She's
God.
low.
We can't take her for a drive.
What do you mean we
I'm
can't?
gonna fucking bottom out. I can't even get out of here.
You're gonna have to fucking just do it.
Okay.
You have to.
Okay. Okay.
We can get it out. We have.
Okay.
We have the fucking wood.
I don't even know if she starts, bro.
Just. We got it, brother.
Should I start the car first? I don't.
No. Put coolant. You heard what Chris Fick said.
Yeah, but that's not a car that hasn't had coolant. Oh my God. Where are my keys? Oh my God. All right. Just rinse my
Wrong
hand.
keys, motherfucker. Come on.
I know. I had to get the coolant off my hand. Starting it up again, baby.
Crank that hoe. Crank that soldier boy. She's back to life. Brake lights are up. Hold on, let me check under the car. Holy shit!
Oh my God.
Is she good? Lights are good? She's back to life?
This is fucking insane, bro.
She's back to life.
This is actually insane.
Pressure light is not there, right?
No.
Holy shit.
No leaks,
Oh.
right?
I didn't see. Check.
Oh, she sounds so good.
She sounds good.
Oh my gosh, she sounds
She
so
sounds good. She sounds good, Daltyn.
I mean, she's still kind of like.
She's still getting ready though.
She's still kind of like.
I
wasn't expecting that.
She's ready, bro. It's been a while. Okay, let's not get high. Let's get.
It's crazy that I'm hearing like the little burbles, and this is stock tune.
Oh, it doesn't have the. It doesn't have the old.
It doesn't have my tuned. You see it now? Oh my God, it's so weird being wild.
Oh my God! Look at that shit. Oh, yep.
I need new wheels.
Welcome back to being.
New wheels.
Welcome back to being low.
For my construction
What is
sites?
this? What is this? What is that? What? That's not. What is that? Why is that? Damn, yo. This man rebuilt his whole car. He rebuilt his whole fucking Supra. He rebuilt his whole car. It took 2 years to do it, but you know, it would have been done in 1 year if it wasn't for some fucking bullshit.
Crazy.
How does it feel driving your car
Fucking awesome, bro.
that you haven't driven in fucking
I didn't think I'd see this day. Honestly, I didn't think I'd see this day coming.
Jesus Christ, bro. I really can't believe it. Like, this shit is fucking running right now.
I just gotta get the fitment right again, and then
Fitment gotta get ready. Fucking wheels.
I'll do a little pull right here.
New color.